So based on what we already talked about embedding, the use case of embedding is actually crazy. You see, when you can actually represent everything in a singular kind of form, which is math, then you can basically play around with it. For example, you want to search an image by using text, okay? But you don't have the image descriptions, right? So what can you do? You can have embedding of the text and also of the image, and you can search it. So for example, if the image is leaf, basically we have a really quick example here, right? So let's say this is 1 as the previous video, and then I say, oh, I want to search for leaf, and then you convert this audio expressions to 1. Search 1 to 1, then you just connect, right? So how if the other way around is also possible? Image to text, text to image, audio to image, or like text to another text. You can also say, oh, then you can literally ask leaf, and then you can get, let's say in the data that you have, there's no leaf, but there's something that's close to leaf, something that's more specific. Let's say you're selling plants, so you don't actually have leaf, but let's say I say brown or like purple leaf. There's a plant that visually speaking it's purple, but you never actually describe it or like type it that, oh, this plant is actually purple. But because the embedding is so close to each other, because it's the same color with what you're asking, oh, purple leaf, then you basically can also find it that way, right? So it opens up this kind of dimensions that instead of the machine look for something that's literally what you type, the machine looks for something that is based on meaning, because the world is so meaningful. And that's what we are going to use embedding for. Stay tuned.